So this is a tour of my ocean view room on the Carnival Conquest ship. I'm standing at the front door right now. So this is what it looks like walking into the room. So when you walk in, there's 3 closets. The closets are very spacious. We like to put most of our stuff in the closets just so we can utilize all of the room space we have, since the rooms are not that big. Then there's a bathroom. You turn it on right here. The bathroom is actually very small, but it's definitely doable. The shower though is a little tricky because it is small. And then this is what it looks like in the bathroom. There's a mirror, and there's actually a little port right here. A lot of shelf space so you can like set your stuff down. All right, and now here we have a vanity. I just got married, so they wrote some stuff on the window, and then we have all of our stuff here. And then under the vanity, they do have a stool that you can sit on. I moved the stool, but it's there so that you can sit here and get ready. There's some drawers that you can put your stuff in. There's a blow dryer in there, and then those 2 drawers don't have anything in there. And then there's a cabinet with a fridge. This fridge doesn't get really cold, and it even says that's cool, not cold. So it's more like a cooler than it is a fridge. But I think it's good for like waters or pops or whatever. And then they do give you water for your room, but these waters are $4 each, so be aware. They have a safe. We like to put our stuff in the safe, and you lock and unlock the safe with a license or some kind of card, so that's cool. They have a TV that has like preset channels. The ocean view room also has a couch, so that's nice. That's different than the interior room because the interior room does not have a couch. Also has a table, and as you can see, I am well unpacked, so my stuff is there. And there's that stool that I was talking about. Then you come over here, and we did the 1 king bed instead of the 2 twin beds because it's me and my man. And then they, of course, daily put towel animals down, and that's pretty much it. The nightstands have a lamp on them each, and there is 1 port on the vanity. So when we cruise, we like to bring something like this because we both like to charge our phone and our devices. And if we don't, there's literally only 1. So only 1 person can charge it at a time. This is from Amazon. And then I'll show you what the ocean view looks like. And I do like having the ocean view because the rooms are a little bigger than the interior rooms. And it's nice to just sit here and look outside to the ocean, and then you can close this so that you're not awakened from the light.